Poor but deserving students are candidates for the scholarship campaigns of the government called Scholar ng Bayan program. House Committee Chairman on Higher Education, Congressman Roman Romulo, said the scholarships will be made available to the top 10 graduating students in public high schools nationwide. This will be implemented in over 1,000 of these schools. A total of 80,000 slots are available for the next school year. They will be enrolled in all state colleges and universities all over the country. The scholars can choose a course and will maintain certain standards to ensure they retain their grants until their graduation. All scholars will be free from paying tuition and miscellaneous fees.
Itong scholar ng bayan kasi ang mechanics niya ay yung top 10 ng bawat public high school natin, yan ang bibigyan ng automatic scholarship. So far now, ang sinabi sa amin, more or less umaabot ng 8,000 yung public high schools. So 80,000 ang beneficiaries niyan. Ang kagandahan nito po, yung mga, especially po yung mga public high schools natin sa mga libliban, yung mga sa loob talaga ng mga kung saan-saan lugar, mga iba-ibang probinsya natin, na alam natin na minsan hindi nila alam kung paano nila mapapatuloy yung kanilang kolehiyo. Ito po, automatic. May scholarship sila sa state university or college within the region.